become smart here. I'm at Little Beehives, which is again a top on Lake Louise. Enjoy. We'll go and see view of Lake Louise from here. That is fantastic. Just stay with me. You can see this is Little Beehives. Now let's go and see Lake Louise from here. Meanwhile, enjoy these tops. Because of these trees, lake is not clearly visible, but I will take you to a place where it is clearly visible and you will enjoy it. Yeah, it's coming. Here we go. We'll go to another top nearby and you will see complete view of the Lake Louise. Just stay. Meanwhile, enjoy the mountains. Look at here. Gorgeous view. Enjoy the beautiful colors of nature. Now from here I will go to another top, which is Lake Agnes. See you there. Take care.